Hello, welcome to the lecture. In this lecture, we are going to start a new topic, that is statistical quality control. Statistical quality control. Now, what is this? So, statistical quality control is a method that uses statistics, right? It uses stats, that is the numbers and data, to check and control the quality of products or the processes. So it checks the quality of either the products or the processes. It is designed to ensure that businesses produce consistent, high quality goods or services by identifying and fixing the problems at an early stage. So, statistical quality control relies on tools such as control charts. So, certain tools, statistical quality control employs certain tools. Those are control charts, sampling methods, and data analysis to measure how processes are being performed and to detect if there are any variations or issues. Like, think of this SQC as a way to keep an eye on the quality during production or service delivery. So instead of just guessing if everything is okay, statistical quality control uses the facts and figures. Now, how does this statistical quality control works? First is they track down the quality. So, it collects the data from the production line or the service processes to measure how the things are actually working, whether the things are working fine or not. For example, it might track the size of the product, the speed of the service, the speed of the delivery of the service, or the number of errors. Right. The next is spotting the problems at an early stage. So, by analyzing the data, by tracking down the quality, by analyzing the data, statistical quality control can quickly show if something is going wrong or not. Like machines making part that might be too big or too small, and they are making ingredients, or they might be making something which is too small or too large, so they can spot out those problems. Then further on, they can take actions for solving those problems. So when a problem is being spotted, the company can fix it right away. That will avoid bigger issues at a later period. Like, they can detect the defective products, or they can find out who are the unhappy customers who are not satisfied with the quality of the products which they are delivering. So the main tools, we were talking about the main tools of statistical quality control. So first is control charts. These are like health monitor for a process. They use a graph to show how the process is being performing over a period of time, and they help to detect if it is behaving normally, or if something is off, or if something is not working fine. Next is sampling methods. Next tool is sampling methods. So instead of checking each and every single item, statistical quality control uses random samples. Suppose they are checking a small sample size to test the quality. So if the sample is good, it is likely that the population or the rest of all the things are good, because the samples is taken from that particular population. Last statistical control tool would be process capacity analysis. Process capability analysis. So this checks if the processes are consistently producing the items that meet the quality standard. So quality becomes the main part under the process capability analysis. Standard quality products have to be delivered to the customers. For example, imagine there is a bakery and they are making cookies. So if the cookies are supposed to weigh 50 grams each, so statistical quality control tools will first of all measure the weight of few of the cookies. So this would be sampling. Then they will track down the weights over a period of time. So this is use of the control charts to see if the process stays consistent or not.